What is up, everybody? Today is going to be a bit of a little bit of a different video. So today I am heading to Capital Logistics. We are finally picking up the new brakes, well, new second-hand brakes for the Mini, get them home and we'll do an unboxing. So yeah, let's get these brakes. Finally, brakes are in the car. Let's get them home and opened. So there it is, finally in the house. Let's get this open and have a look at the condition of these brakes. Even though they're getting a full rebuild, all new pistons, all new seals, all new nipples, new lines, new everything. The box opening tool. Let's get this open. Right guys, you see as I see. Let's get this open. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it all out of here. As you can see, calipers, vented discs, drive flanges, pads, but I do have new pads on the way. So I'm going to get this all out. So here we have everything, guys. The brake discs are brand new, literally are brand new. No lip, no nothing, they're just filthy. So I'm going to give them a clean up in a few minutes. Both of them, you can see this one's better, has a few marks on it, but it's not anything stupid, they're brand new. The drive flanges are immaculate as well. Like, they just have dirt and grime on them, so they're all going to get sprayed, cleaned off with a wire wheel, front and back. Both of them are the same. It's just from sitting around. They're not pitted, they're just filthy. And the calipers, guys, I'm not messing. I don't think I'll rebuild this. They have all new seals. You can see they're all new. And, excuse the French, but they're immaculate. Absolute immaculate. Wow. I am going to blast these things apart, wire brush them, clean them down, and just high temp primer them and then paint them. Like, there's Melvin Lockie from the UK. I know they took a while to get, not his fault, it was all down to postage, but these things are mint. These are the cleanest Metro 4-port brakes I've ever bought in my life. They are brand new. They look brand new. The seals, not one perished. I want to take the pads. The pads are absolutely shot on them. They're so bad, but like, they're immaculate. They're so clean, so good. I am one happy camper. I am so happy with the brakes that I bought, and I got them fairly cheap off the guy as well. Like, I can't complain. He's a great seller. I've never had an issue with getting parts off him before, but On Post and Royal Mail are a joke. They are the ones that caused this whole issue. I lost money on the postage. That's not Mel's fault. That's the postage service. They said they done nothing wrong, so it was missing information. He filled out forms and shit and done everything properly, and they just didn't do their job. So yeah, I'm so happy with this. Let's get these done. Right guys, I flew to Halfords, got myself some Nitromorse gold paint. It's good for going direct to rust, even though these are not rusty. I got myself some white grease, so when these are all cleaned down, I can put some white grease here on that side and on the back side, all in here, and they go in here and bolt down. Then we're going to clean these up and paint them and make them look new. So I'm not doing any of the rubbers, they're literally brand new, everything looks good. So let's get these cleaned up and painted, and we're not going to faff about, we're just going to get it done right now. Now that's me done making a mess. Time to clean all this up and come back tomorrow when they are dry. Right guys, the calipers are gold. I have new pads and bolts on the way. Hopefully Ray sends me the split pins I asked for. I don't know whether he has them or not. Also the 8 bolts to put the flanges on, which go in nice and easy now. They didn't want to, but these things came up immaculate. So yeah, next time you'll see these, we'll be fitting them to the Mini in a different episode. So we have a new big box of things. Let's get the other box of things right here. So here we have our calipers. Now I bought vented calipers and vented discs, as you can see, but after inspection and painting them, waste of time I know, they are non-vented calipers. So this is how you know, no spacer. I literally painted them and then I was like, oh, I'll fit them onto the discs, and they didn't fit, so I was a bit snapping, but Mel sorted it out. Mel sent me enough money to buy this spacer kit. I linked the company down below in the description. They looked after me with these. They're absolutely epic. So we're going to get these on the calipers first, and then we're going to have a look at what we have in this box here. Now guys, spacers are on, and as you can see, I had to drill them out as they weren't a direct fitment for these 4-pots. But they're on, they're working. I do need to get longer bolts. They gave me longer bolts with it and it said mini fitment, but these are not mini thread. They are like normal thread, so I need to get like Metro 4-pot thread in these length bolts. But as you can see, disc fits in nicely with a nice little gap on either side. So yeah, these are going to work perfect. So now all I need to order are the rattle guards for the top, because now they are wider. Gonna get 4 new split pins, 1 for either side here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 rattle guards, 4 split pins. Everything else is here. We also got posts the other day. We got our pads, and we got these to bolt the flanges onto the discs. So we have the kiddo working on that one there. I'm going to take this off and just spray some of this white grease on the back of it so it doesn't bind up, just like so. Perfecto. Line up the holes. Good man. Wiggle it. Take it out. Right, so that's the caliper sorted. I'm just going to go down to the nut and bolt company on Monday and get longer bolts for this. I'm also going to get new ones of these. They're supposed to sit flush, but they're not sitting flush and they're going to catch the wheel. So, nearly sure they're supposed to sit flush. Yeah, I'll get new ones of them with a shorter head on them maybe. And yeah, let's get this servo sorted. Yeah, before I throw these away, I'll actually explain the spacers. Bought them from a company off eBay, and he said they fit the Metro 4-pots, but these are different 4-pots for some reason, so I had to drill out one hole. So one side fit perfect, and then the hole for the actual bleeding fit perfect, but then this hole was off by about, Jesus, it was a little bit anyway. So I just bolted it in, set it up to where the hole is, and then just drilled straight through all the way, and then took it out, put the drill bit through the hole a bit and just reamed it out a little bit just so it fit perfect. Bolted it in and it fit bang on. There's all new seals as well in this. I can't get that bag out. There's new seals in there anyway for either side, so happy with that. Both calipers are done. As I said, I just need longer bolts. These bolts are literally hanging on by the first and second thread and they need to go all the way through. So I'm going to go to the nut and bolt company down in Ballymount, grab 8 longer bolts, and then see if they have any of those as well, to see if I can get just shorter heads on them, or I could get the grinder to them and grind them down a little tiny. They're literally sticking out like a tiny little bit. You can see there, I could literally grind them down and they'll be flush, because the wheel just won't go on properly. The wheel literally sits on this, the whole lot of this up to this. That's no bueno. That's not going to do. So I either need to get new ones of these, grind these down, which won't be a problem because there's plenty in them. So yeah, we'll see what happens Monday with these, but we're going to move on to this servo. So as you can see, I got a full servo set up. I got this bracket. This bracket was in a bit of a state, so I just cleaned it up a little bit and gave it a lick of paint. So this is going to look minter in the engine bay. Obviously goes in the engine bay that way. And this piece of shit is getting replaced with this piece of shit. So all we need off this servo are these 2 nuts and this. So you get a new seal, old seal out, new seal in, slide this on and bolt it on. And then this goes on the bracket like so. And then we just have to connect this connection up to here, and then we can put the other one on and get it ready to get in the car. The best Amazon boy ever. Everything deserves new split pins. So now the next thing is ripping all the stuff out of the Mini and getting all this new stuff in the engine bay, and then getting this all connected up to the pedals. So yeah, this should be fun. That's going to be in the next episode, so make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like. Oh, a lot of hard work, but you know what, it's going to be worth it when the Mini has awesome brakes and I'll be able to drive it to its full potential. So yeah, come back in the next video where we're going to sort out these brakes, get them on the car, and sort out this servo in the engine bay and run all new brake lines, new proportionate valve, which I have here. Now, good proportionate valve. Only thing I'm missing is this little rubber on the end, literally broken in half, so I need to find a new rubber that will go into that, or maybe I'll try and find something else to go into, but I'm not sure what the rubber's for. Give it a bit of give, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share. Peace out, be dedicated, and see you in the next episode when we get all this put in the car.